Hi, I'm Mary Jo. Welcome to the Overlook. Hannah's going to show you one of our floor plans. You're going to love it.
Thanks, Mary Jo. This 2-bed, 2-bath apartment features an open living space and generously sized bedrooms on opposite ends. Let's get into it. Right now, I'm standing in the heart of the home where you have your living space and dining room. In here, you have 9-foot ceilings, beautiful crown molding, and this marble tile fireplace. You get a ton of natural light in here. Right beyond that sliding glass door, you have a private patio area with a storage space. So helpful. Now this leads right into the dining area, the perfect spot to share a more formal meal. Now the next space I want to show you is this amazing kitchen. In here, you've got pecan cabinetry, GE appliances, and granite countertops and backsplash. And what I love about this space is you have this pass-through with an upper island, so great for entertaining or spending time with others while you're doing your meal prep. And let me show you a few other things. Every apartment comes with a full-size washer and dryer, and right beyond that is a large pantry. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. Here in bedroom 1, it's so cozy yet spacious. The size of the room makes it versatile for large furniture, tons of artwork. It features a massive bay window, a walk-in closet, and an attached bathroom with a soaking tub and vanity. And that's bedroom 1. Now, another thing I love about this floor plan is both bedrooms are situated on opposite ends. It adds great privacy, making the space not only great for families, but roommates too. And finally, we're in bedroom 2, another generously sized space with a ton of natural light, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with a separate vanity area. And that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you'd like to call the Overlook at St. Thomas your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.